Oh my gosh, everything is going wrong right now. My laptop is not working, my SD card is not working, and this angle makes me look like I'm balding, which I promise I'm not. Hey guys, I'm going to quickly come up here and film an unboxing. I put on this face in like 5 minutes, so excuse the mess, but I still really want to show you guys what I just got in the mail. And it's this huge box from Linefriends. When I saw this package sitting in our porch, I was so beyond excited. The corners of my lips lifted so high up. I don't know, it was possible. I was so happy. I got an exclusive RJ box, and he is obviously my favorite because Jin is my favorite. I've already collected so many RJ things. So I'm going to show you what's in this box. And I'm on like literally using my phone because everything is broken in my house right now, but let's get started. I hope this angle is okay, and if it's not, I'm really sorry, but I just really want to show you what's in it. The first thing, I actually have seen a few Insta story and I've seen this, and I already have this actually, but I don't mind another one, and it's this huge smiley one. Let me quickly grab the one that I already have. Like literally now I have two. I'm so happy. Now it's gonna sit on my bed, like both of them side by side. I'm super happy about that. Everything else is pretty small. This I've seen it online and I'm really excited because I'm one of those that lives in a cab 24/7, literally 365 days. I live in a house like 350 days. So I haven't opened this, and it's obviously the RJ one, and it's orange. It's like, I can't say it's my favorite color, but I don't mind it. It's pretty big, to be honest, and on the inside it has the BT21, and it has a really cute sort of stuffing thing. It is huge, but I'm gonna just have it on. Oh, you can adjust it, of course. And I'll have it on this whole video. I hope that's okay with you guys. And obviously it says RJ on the back. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with this. It obviously doesn't go with my outfit, but we're gonna roll with it because this angle makes my hair look like I'm balding anyway, so I might as well just cover it up. Next thing I have, I haven't opened anything, but this is a magnet, a plush magnet. It's honestly the cutest thing. I can't even deal with it. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I have no idea where I'm gonna put it, but it is adorable. I love RJ so much. Oh my god. Okay, we got a pen. Nothing too exciting, but I can always use a pen, and I believe it's like a ballpoint pen. Clicking ones. You can't really see. Can you see? It has like the different expressions of RJs. Oh my god. And there's the one that with like the what is it? The cross. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. We got a folding card case. It's not the passport holder, which I was hoping to get because Jin has held it in an airport, and I thought that was really cute. But I can always use a card case. I was thinking of purchasing like a designer brand. Okay, so it's not the most obviously well made. It's I don't know, it's plastic or whatever material, like fake leather kind of material, and it says Monopoly, and I think that's the game, right? But yeah, it's good for like ID and then like credit card, debit card, and some cash. But that's really cute. Ooh. We don't have a lot of things left, and I think obviously the main thing is that pillow, which I'm so excited to get a new one. We got a balloon, I think, because it comes with a stick. And yeah, it is a balloon. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this, but it's... Oh, there's something very therapeutic of looking at RJ's face. To me, it's the most calming and soothing expression, and it really helps me like stay grounded. And I know it sounds ridiculous because it's just a cartoon, but like a few other things. This is a really cute earphone holder. I'm just opening everything up and my house is a mess. And I actually just got AirPods and I got an RJ AirPod case, of course. So this is what it looks like. It has obviously RJ's face and it kind of snaps like one of those button things. You wrap your headphones around and I think it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. 2 more things. I think that's all. Yeah. We've got a sticker, like a decor, what do you call it? A deco sticker, and it shows that you can put it on the back of your like iPhone case. Oh, it's not. Yeah, it looks like this. And we got more stickers. I know I'm like literally so old, but this is so cute and I'm not complaining. I'm a very happy woman right now, can you tell? So obviously my favorite is this cap and the new pillow we've got. This is the old one, but I don't want to take it out of the packaging just yet. But yeah, it's so cute. Alright, so that is the end. That box I think was 58 USD. I'll put the details down below, but it was limited edition. I think they're coming out with a new one, but I don't think they're a character exclusive. So you're getting like everyone, which I wouldn't mind either, but I think my parents will yell at me for spending so much money on a cartoon character when I'm hitting mid-20s. But I am loving this box, especially this cap. I thought it was really big, but like it's very good quality. It's very structured, which is the kind of cap I like. So yeah, I'm super happy with this purchase. It makes me really happy, so I don't care how old I am and whatever, all that nonsense. It makes me happy. So I hope you enjoy this unboxing and see you next time.